Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus UpNote. We'll dive into their core functionalities, user interfaces, and how they cater to different organizational needs. Notion, a versatile workspace, offers extensive customization for notes, tasks, and databases. UpNote, on the other hand, focuses on a streamlined experience for quick and efficient note-taking. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which tool best suits your workflow. Let's explore their feature sets. Notion provides a robust block-based editor, allowing for intricate page layouts, linked databases, and powerful templates, making it ideal for project management. UpNote excels with its clean, Markdown-supported interface, offering nested notebooks and quick capture capabilities, perfect for personal journaling or a simple knowledge base. Each tool offers distinct advantages depending on your organizational style. Regarding cost, Notion offers a generous free personal plan with unlimited blocks and pages, and paid tiers starting around $8 per month. UpNote provides a free version limited to 50 notes, with a one-time premium purchase of approximately $30 for lifetime access. Both are widely accessible across desktop, web, and mobile platforms. Your budget and long-term usage will influence which pricing model is more appealing. So, who should use which? Choose Notion if you require a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace for complex projects, team collaboration, and building interconnected systems. Opt for UpNote if you prioritize speed, a minimalist design, and a straightforward note-taking experience, especially for personal use or quick information capture. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your unique workflow and specific organizational demands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.